Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, reading for the role of Dylan. Thanks so much for having me read. Looks like a great script. Look forward to working with you. Maya is excited. It's a shame. Mrs. Claus sucks and is ruining Christmas. I know, I'm kidding. You are ruining Christmas. And you definitely aren't Mrs. Claus. Maya left out the family iPad to catch Santa. I don't know, Santa likes oatmeal cookies. I wouldn't be surprised if nobody touched them all night. So we should probably turn off the iPad. You don't want to? I don't know. We could do so many things to mess with her. A Santa Mrs. Claus sex tape could ruin her life. Mrs. Claus has been busy. She's working tonight to get a head start on next year's presents. Sure. There is a lot of work to do. Mr. Claus knows all about that. But he makes time for his family. You are unemployed. I'm sorry I had to work today. I'll make breakfast tomorrow. I know. It's okay. Maya understands. I'm gonna get some sleep. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.